Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to change username on Threads. Okay, now when we go to our Threads application and then open our account and then click on edit profile, okay, we will be able to see our username here. And if we try to, tap on it to edit our username, we can perform the actions because our Threads account is connected to our Instagram account. So we'll have to go to our Instagram account first and then click on our profile picture at the bottom right corner of our screen. Okay, and then click on edit profile. So from here, you'll be able to see the username that you have in your Instagram and also in your Threads account. So if you want to change it, you'll just have to tap on it and then type out the username that you want to use. Okay, so right after that, just click on the check icon at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes. Now, you have successfully changed your username on Instagram. Okay, and then when we go back to our Threads application, then open our account, we'll be able to see that our username is now different because we have changed it using our Instagram account. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.